Hey everyone, I'm Mandy. UUGreenPower's independent forced air cooling channel tech has stirred things up for charging an EV. What's the deal with using independent forced air cooling channels in charging stations? Stick around, I'll fill you in today. Right now, I'm at an industrial park in Shenzhen. Behind me is a 120 kilowatts fast charger, boasting for built-in 30 kilowatts IP65 independent forced air cooling channel charging modules from UUGreenPower. You can see this charger right out in the open, without any extra shields. No need for added dust-proof gear or fans at the ear inlet. This charger's been going strong for 3 to 4 years. And as you can see, it's still kicking it in great shape. The key here is the UUGreenPower IP65 independent forced air cooling channel charging module. It's unlike your regular IP20 forced air cooling modules. This IP65 version keeps components away from the air channel, dodging direct encounters with water vapor and salty sprays. Sporting an IP65 protection, it beefs up the charger's safety and slashes future maintenance costs big time. The UUGreenPower Independent Forced Air Cooling Channel Charging Module rocks for major traits: crazy high efficiency, top-notch protection, zero maintenance, and a super long life. For a dusty factory and mining spots, no sweat. It handles tough gigs like a champ. Think high humidity along the coast,